chapter in science. It is the first chapter. Can you guess it which chapter I'm going to start? Don't look at the board. Okay, very good. And that is chapter 1, nutrition in plants. Okay. So first we can study about food. Okay. So food is something that gives us energy to our body. Okay. Food is something that gives us energy. It gives us energy to our body. Okay. Food is something. It is something. It can be a chapati, rice, idli, dosha, anything. So food is something that gives us energy to our body. Okay. So, and can you imagine without food? Yeah, for one day it is no problem, but for 2 to 3 days or 1 week or 1 year, can you imagine? You ate food, I ate food, your papa, your mama, your neighbors, your relatives ate food, your plants ate food, animals ate food. The answer is yes, yes, yes. All our living organisms ate food. Okay? Because right now I am talking to you, right? Yeah. So I have the energy to talk, to walk, to run, to write. This energy comes from the food that I ate before. Okay? So the answer is yes, because all living organisms require food. Okay? So nutrients. Next we can study about nutrients. So there are 4 types of nutrients, and they are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. And the carbohydrates gives us what? Energy to our body. This function is energy. And sources. Sources is what? From where did the carbohydrate get? Potato. What? Potatoes. And next, cereals. Potatoes and cereals and etc. Okay. Etc. etc. So many are there. Okay. So let's study only 2. And sources. Carbohydrate gives us energy to our body, and sources are potatoes, cereals, etc. Understand? Very good. And the next thing, and that is protein. Protein gives us what? It helps to build our body. It helps us to build our body. Okay? It helps us to build our body. Okay? To become taller. It helps. Okay? Protein helps. So protein helps us to build our body. Okay? So its sources are dairy products. Example, milk, butter, curd, all the things. Dairy products. Okay? What? Protein, bodybuilding food, and sources of dairy products, and what? Yes, egg, etc. Meat. Okay, we can say meat and etc. Okay, what? Carbohydrate is the one nutrient, and the second one is protein. Carbohydrate gives us energy to our body, and sources are potatoes, cereals, etc. Okay, potatoes, cereals, etc. And the next thing is protein. Okay, protein helps us to build our body. Okay, to help us to build our body. And the sources is dairy products. Example, milk, curd, etc. etc. Okay, dairy products. Okay, next is egg. Okay, egg. And the next is meat and etc. Okay, so next thing is fats. Okay, its function is to what? It helps us to body to heat. Okay, it helps It's butter, it's milk, it's egg, all the things, right? Yeah. Fats, oil and butter, almond, curd, all are what? Fats sources. Okay. All of you listen? All of you listen? Okay. And the fats are, it helps the body to heat. Okay. It helps our body to heat. And its sources are oil, butter, etc. Okay. So many are there. Oil, butter, almond, all are there. Okay. And I will read once more. Listen here. Listen. And fats. It helps the body to heat. It helps our body to heat. Then sources are oil, butter, etc. Almond are there. Okay. So next we can study our next thing, and that is, can you guess? Yes, vitamins and minerals. Okay. Vitamins and minerals we consider as one. Okay. So I said there are 4 types. Okay, I will say vitamins and minerals. Okay, vitamins and minerals. It also helps our body to increase, to boost the immune, to boost immune, and it helps our body to what? It keeps our what? Energy. It helps our body to get energy. Okay. Okay, the next thing is to get energy. And can you see? Yes? Yes. And that is sources. Sources are what? Main thing is, can you see? Yeah. Vitamins and minerals to boost immune system. Immune. Okay. And it helps to keep the energy. Energy. And sources are veggie and means vegetables and fruits. Fruits and vegetables are the main sources. Okay. Fruits and vegetables. Okay. Understand? You can read now. I will read for you once more. Okay. There are 4 types of nutrients are there. Okay. And next is source. Carbohydrate is a one nutrient, and that is help us to keep energy. It helps us to keep energy. And its sources are potatoes, cereals, etc. Okay? Yeah. And I will. Okay. And next is protein. And next is protein. And it helps us to build our body. It helps us to build our body, to grow. Main thing. Build our body. Okay. Next sources are dairy products, eggs, meat, etc. Okay. So many of them. So sources are dairy products, egg, meat. Okay. Next is fat. Fat is what helps? It helps the body to heat. When we go for exercise, the body will heat and the sweat will come because the fat is there. Okay, fat, it helps the body to heat. It helps our body to heat. And sources are oil, okay, butter, almond, ghee, all are there. Okay, etc. I will only write 2 or 3. That is enough. Okay, and vitamins and minerals is the next and the last one. Okay, can you see? Yeah. And it helps to boost immune. It will help us to boost immune. Okay, and there one or more there. It helps to get energy. Okay, it helps to get energy and helps to boost immune. Okay, and next is sources. Sources is fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables is the best thing. Okay, to get vitamin and mineral. Understand? All of you understand? Yes? Very good. Very good. Okay, so listen here. that I am talking. Okay? Very good. So, friends, we all are directly or indirectly dependent on plant. Okay? We all are directly or indirectly dependent on plant. So you have a doubt, and that is directly. We all are directly, but how indirectly? If you have a doubt, I will say. Okay? So indirectly meaning I will tell, and there is a small example. Okay? So can you see this? This is a grass. Imagine this is a grass. I don't know how to draw. So this is a grass, and this grass was eaten by a grasshopper. Grasshopper. And this, understand? This grass was eaten by a grasshopper, and this grasshopper was eaten by a nice frog. Nice frog. Okay? This grass was eaten by a grasshopper, and this grasshopper was eaten by a frog. Understand? Yes. So, next is this frog was eaten by a snake. Okay? Eaten by a snake. And this snake was eaten by an eagle. Okay? Okay, friends, I will tell once more. This grass was eaten by a grasshopper, and this grasshopper was eaten by a frog, and this frog was eaten by a snake, and this snake was eaten by an eagle. Like this, the grasshopper eats the grass, right? So grasshopper get the nutrition from the grass. So when the grasshopper was eating, the frog comes and catches it. Okay? So the frog gets the nutrition from the grasshopper. So like this, we all are indirectly or directly depend on plants. So I have one thing want to say that. So plant a tree or plant a small flower in your motherland. Okay. So if you have any doubts in this section, comment on my comment box. I will surely happily comment on it. Okay. I will surely reply. So like this, we all are indirectly depend on plants. So you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. So we all are directly or indirectly depend on plants. So like this, I will tell once more. This grass was eaten by a grasshopper, and this grasshopper was eaten by a frog, and this frog was eaten by a snake, and this snake was eaten by an eagle. So we all are indirectly, okay, indirectly or directly, okay, indirectly or directly depend on plants. Okay, friends, all of you understand this? We all are indirectly or directly depend on plants. Okay, friends, all of you understand? So, friends, our next interesting topic is nutrition. Okay, so nutrition means nutrition is a mode. It is a mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Okay, friends, it's a mode of taking. We want to eat food, we want to take the food, and it is an organization and utilization by the body. We want to take the food and we want to utilize it. Okay? So, it is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Okay, friends? All of you understand what is nutrition? Nutrition is the mode of taking food by the body. Understand all of you? And therefore there are three types of what mode of nutrition are there, and one is autotrophic. So before studying autotrophic, what is autotrophic? What is the meaning? Okay, so we can divide it. Okay, we can divide this and okay, like this. Auto means what? Self. Auto means self. Our own. So meaning. Okay. Auto means self and trophic. Trophic means nourishment. Trophic means nourishment. Understand all of you? Self-nourishment. Autotrophic means self-nourishment. All of you understand? Autotrophic means the mode of nutrition in which organism want to make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic. Okay, so it's a mode of nutrition in which organism make food themselves from simple substances, from like heat, or sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, like this, from simple substances is called autotrophic. Autotrophic meaning is self-nourishment. Understand? And can you see? Yeah. And next is autotrophous. Autotrophous. So, who is making this? Plants. So, plants are called what? Plants are called autotrophous. Who is making this autotrophic, this mode? Who is making this? Yes, plants are making this. So, what? Therefore, plants are called autotrophous. Understand all of you? If you have any doubt, comment on the comment section. Okay. Okay, I will surely, I will happily reply it. Okay. So, our next topic is heterotrophous. Okay, the third nutrition is heterotrophous. And animals and the most other organisms, animals and we, okay, human beings and all living organisms, or animals and most other, okay, organism taking food prepared by plants. They are called heterotrophous. Okay, animals and most other organism taking food. What? Food prepared by plants. They are called heterotrophous. Okay? Understand? If you have any doubt, okay, clear. Then next is, before next word, heterotrophous. What is the meaning of hetero? Hetero. You can divide. Hetero means, okay, other. Hetero means other. Understand? So, these are the three types of nutrition. Nutrition means it's a mode of taking food and we want to utilize it. And next, there are three types: autotrophic, autotrophous, heterotrophic. Okay, and autotrophic means it's a nutrition by an organism from simple substances called autotrophic. And auto means self, and what? Trophic means nourishment. Okay, and next is autotrophous. So, who is making this? Plants. So, plants are called autotrophous. And heterotrophous means animals and most other organisms who are taking food prepared by plants. They are called heterotrophous. Okay, hetero means other. Hetero means other. Don't want to be confused. Okay, just read the NCERT science textbook 1 to 3 to 5 or 6 times you can read in one day. Okay, then you will be clear. You will be more clear. Okay, all of you are right? Very good. So friends, today we are going to study a beautiful, interesting topic, and that is photosynthesis. So I said before saying a word, we want to understand the meaning. So photosynthesis, we can write here photosynthesis. Okay, photo. Okay, this word photosynthesis. photosynthesis. Understand? So next is photo. We want to divide this word. Okay, photo. We want to divide here. Synthesis. Photo means. Okay, photo means light. Okay, photo means light. And synthesis meaning is to prepare, to combine. Okay, to prepare or to combine. Light preparation is the meaning. Photosynthesis means light preparation. Okay, this is called photosynthesis. The photosynthesis, photo means light and synthesis means to prepare or to combine. Okay, the water, minerals, sunlight, and here water, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, light, water, minerals. Oh, I want to compare, I want to prepare. So photosynthesis means light preparation. And come to this topic. And photosynthesis means food making process in plants. Food making process in plants. Food making process in plants. Okay. You always see so many plants in our surroundings, right? We all see so many plants in our surroundings, right? But mostly we see green color plants. So because the leaves have the chlorophyll, the green color pigment, the green color pigment, what it helps? It helps to capture the sunlight. It helps to capture the sunlight. Okay? The chlorophyll is a green color pigment. This green color pigment helps to capture the sunlight. Okay, friends? And in the plants, leaves are the food factors of plants. Leaves are the kitchen. Leaves want to make all the things and give to them. Okay? So leaves are the food factors of plant. Okay? So, and the leaves have the chlorophyll pigment. The leaves have the chlorophyll pigment, and this chlorophyll helps to capture the sunlight. It helps to capture the sunlight. And the leaves also have one thing. The leaves have stomata. What? Stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata. Okay? And it is surrounded by God cells. What is stomata? It is a tiny pore. I will write here. It is a tiny pore present where on the lower side of the leaf. It is present on the lower. Then consider this is a leaf and the stomata is the underside, lower side of the leaf. Okay? Very good. And the stomata is a tiny pore present on the lower side. Lower side. Okay, friends? All of you understand all the things? I will say leaves are the food factors of a plant, and the leaves have chlorophyll, the green color pigment, and it helps to capture the sunlight to make the food, to prepare photosynthesis or to prepare food. The process called photosynthesis. Okay? And the leaves have stomata. It is a tiny pore present on the lower side of the leaves, and this stomata is surrounded by a God cell. It's surrounded by a God cell. Understand? And the photosynthesis means light preparation. Okay, photo means light and synthesis means to prepare, to combine. Understand? And here is the process of photosynthesis. Here is a diagram, a beautiful diagram here to study the photosynthesis. Okay? All of you listen here. Concentrately listen. Okay? And this is a plant and it fixes to the soil, and this is the roots. Okay? And the soil has what? Water and minerals, right? The soil has water and minerals. And water and minerals. And the root takes this water and minerals. Okay? It absorbs the water and minerals to the soil. Okay? And the soil has present water and minerals, and this water and minerals are absorbed by the root. And next what will be happening? That's the stems go like this, and the leaf height. So this is in leaf helps to capture this energy. Okay, this is the light energy. And in the leaf, for the photosynthesis process, the carbon dioxide also comes from the surrounding. The carbon dioxide also comes to this leaves like this. And after all the preparation and water minerals comes, the chlorophyll, the green pigment of this, then it gets the energy. So sunlight comes, water and minerals comes, carbon dioxide comes, all are comes, right? So the process called photosynthesis. Next, after photosynthesis, oxygen is given out. Oxygen is given out, okay? And I will say one thing. And consider this is a stomata. When the air comes in the surrounding, the stomata will open like this. The stomata will, this is a stomata. The stomata will open like this. Okay, the stomata is like this, and when the oxygen or carbon dioxide comes, it traps. What? It traps them and prepare photosynthesis. And after the photosynthesis, what will be happening? The stomata opens and the oxygen will be coming. That oxygen we are breathing. Okay? That oxygen we are breathing. Understand? And this is the preparation, and I don't know, you can see here. I think you can see here. Can you see here? Yes? So, and I will say this is a leaf. Okay? One thing I'm going to rub this photosynthesis. So if we know photosynthesis, light preparation. Okay? Photosynthesis means light preparation. Okay? So I will draw here. And this is a leaf. Okay? Consider this is a leaf. And it has veins in the all. Okay? And this is a leaf. And this leaf has stomata. It is like this. You can see. This is the stomata. And when we see this leaf under the microscope, we can see the stomata like this. It's my okay? Like a kidney. We can't see kidney. So you can ask your mother to show the bean move like this. It is the same shape. It's a pakas same shape. Okay? It's the same shape like a bean. You can't see the kidney, right? Inside of our body, right? So you can ask your mother to show that beans. Okay? Seed, beans of the seed. So like this it is there. So the same thing, the same shape is this stomata. What? Stomata. Okay? And this here you can see this place, and you can see, and this place is called God cells. I said right, the stomata is surrounded by a God cells, and here this is called God cell. Okay, this is called God cell, and you can see here a small opening. Okay. You can see here a small opening here, this place. You can see here as a small opening. I will draw here. This is a small opening. And this opening is called stomatal opening. What? Stomatal opening. This stomatal opening is surrounded by this God cells. Okay, God cells. So, this is called stomatal opening. Understand? All of you understand? This is a leaf and this is a leaf. This is a diagram of leaf, and this leaf has a stomata, and this stomata we put in a microscope and we can see here. Then it goes like this. It is some beans or kidney shape. Okay, this stomata, and this place is called God cells, and this opening is called stomatal opening. Understand all of you? This is a process of photosynthesis. This is a diagram, and this is about stomata, And this is the leaf is the food factory, and this is the chlorophyll green pigment. It helps us to capture the sunlight. Okay. And what leaves has tomato? It is a tiny pore present on the lower side of the leaf, and it is surrounded by a guard cells. All of you understand all the things? Okay. You can see. I will move and you can see all the things. Just check. Okay. Okay. All of you checked? Yeah. And all of you understand this? Okay, very good. So, next that I said, so that we can put it in an equation. So, that equation is carbon dioxide plus water in the presence that we can put it at like this. The presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, we can put it like here. Sunlight and what? Can you see it? Yes, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. So, carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives us what? Gives us carbohydrate plus oxygen. Carbohydrate plus oxygen. Just that's carbon dioxide plus water in the presence. In the presence we can put it in an arrow mark and put like this. Sunlight, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives carbohydrate plus oxygen. Okay friends, study this equation. This is very important in your exam. Okay, this is very important. Okay, this equation. Okay, I will read once more. Carbon, can you see it? Yeah. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives us, say with me, louder. Carbohydrate plus oxygen. Okay, carbohydrate plus oxygen. Understand? Okay. Next we are going to study a beautiful, interesting thing, and that is cell. We see that the buildings are made of bricks. I will draw a building. Just imagine this was a building. Okay. I don't know how to draw a building. So, this is a building. Consider this is a building. Okay. I can put like this. Okay? There's 2 windows and 1 door. And this house or this building, just imagine this is a building, and this building is made of bricks. Okay? Made of like this. Like this. So many bricks are made of this house or building. Okay? This building or this house is made of so many bricks. There are all bricks. Okay, consider I will draw here. They all have bricks. Okay, this consider there are so many bricks to make a building. Okay, there are so many bricks to make a building or a house. Like this, our body has what cells are made of cell. Okay, are made of cell. I will do. Okay, consider this is our. It is like this is a cell. Okay, I will draw. This is a cell. Okay, can you see this? This is a cell, and the body is what is cell? We can say and do here. The cell means the bodies of living organisms are made of tiny, like this, tiny units called cell. The bodies of living organisms are made of tiny units called cell. Okay? Okay. The cell is enclosed by a thin outer boundary called the cell membrane. And the next thing, the cell is enclosed by a thin outer boundary. A thin, just mind it, thin, not thick. A thin outer boundary called cell membrane. Very good. I guess cell membrane. Thin outer boundary. You can mark that. Mark in your textbook, or you can make a lecture notebook. Okay, that I am marking. Okay. And the next thing, most cells have a distant, centrally located spherical structure called nucleus. What? Nucleus. Most cells have a centrally spherical structure, distant, centrally spherical structure called nucleus. Okay, centrally located spherical structure called nucleus. And the nucleus is surrounded by a jelly-like substance. It is like a slime. Okay, you all see slime? Yeah. And just like a slime, it's a jelly. It's a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. Okay, I will draw. Okay, so consider this is a cell, and the cell is enclosed by a thin outer boundary. This is the outer boundary. I'm marking here. And this thin outer boundary called cell membrane. Okay? Cell membrane. Understand? This outer boundary called cell membrane. Okay? And the next is what? Spherical centrally located spherical structure. Okay? Centrally located spherical structure. It's not a round. It's a spherical structure called nucleus. This is the nucleus one. Okay? This is the nucleus. Nucleus. Okay? This is nucleus. It is a centrally located and it's a spherical structure. It's a spherical structure called nucleus. Okay? It's a spherical structure. And next, our last, the nucleus is surrounded by a jelly-like substance. It's floating in that. This is a jelly-like substance called what? Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Very good. Yeah. The cell is enclosed by a thin outer boundary called cell membrane, and the most cells have a distant centrally located spherical structure called nucleus, and the nucleus is surrounded by a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. Okay, friends, understand all of this? And this is a cell. Okay. Okay. So, cell is the bodies of living organism are made of tiny units. The cell is the bodies of living organism are made of tiny units called cell. The cell is enclosed by a thin outer boundary called cell membrane. Most cells have a centrally located spherical structure called nucleus. The nucleus is surrounded by a jelly-like substance called what? Cytoplasm. So, I think all of you understand this much, and if you have any doubt and if you have anything to say to me, just comment on the below comment box or the comment section. I will surely happily reply on that. And our next topic will be coming on next Friday, this Friday. So the video is uploading on this Monday, and the next video will be uploaded on this Friday. Okay, friends? And if you have anything to say to me, just say to me. I will happily reply on this. And if you like this video, please press the bell icon and click on the subscribe button on the right side of this video. And comment on the comment section and share to all. They all can study. They all can see this. Okay, friends? All of you study well and read the NCERT based textbook 1 to 3 to 4 times. Okay, in a one day. Or one day you want to read 2 to 3 times. Then you will be more clear. Okay? So friends, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to this channel.